What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Light Source Engraving. I'm your host, Patrick, as usual. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for popping in. If you're a returning viewer, I greatly appreciate you seeing another video of mine and clicking on it and watching. Thank you so much. And don't forget, like and subscribe. That's out of the way. Yay! Today, quick unboxing of new product and an engraving on the CO2 using the new product. So I'm just going to get right into the unboxing. It's going to be quick. It's just this big box. I already have it pre-opened because it's kind of heavy and awkward. And here is the Dadywheels. Honeycomb. All right, folks, here's the Dadywheels honeycomb. As you can see, this is a large honeycomb. I'm going to be using this in my CO2, setting on top of my old crappy honeycomb, and we'll see how this does compared to the old one. Now, if you have a larger diode, one of the extended models, you need a larger honeycomb, right here, it could be what you're looking for. It does have markings out to 900 millimeters and 450. Yep. So we have 450 on the Y and 900 on the X. 450, 900. It looks very well made. It looks perfectly level. I'm not seeing anything I don't like. So I'm excited to try this out. The other thing it came with, if you do have a big old diode or something, then you need a protective cover for the bottom. So there you go. So you can set this down on your countertop and cut and not have to worry about sliding into your countertop. So the knife is still here. It also comes with the automotive pen style hold downs. This is something I'm seeing manufacturers include with their honeycombs. These automotive style hold down pins. Also included are 4 rubber feet, foam feet, not rubbers, but foam. And you can put these down on the corners of the steel plate, and that'll keep it from moving around, which is handy because those do like to move. And an instruction sheet. So what do we need this big CO2 honeycomb for? A big piece of wood. This is ambrosia maple that we will be making into a mantle display to go over a fireplace. It's going to be engraved with some anniversary text. So happy 50th, I think, a date and the name. So we'll be doing that, and this will set up on the mantle and look pretty. But this is ambrosia maple. It has this really cool green hue to it within the grain, caused by some type of beetle. And this is the side we're going to be engraving. It has more of the cool collar running through it. Now, I'm not sure how differently that wood will engrave with the rest of the grain, but we're going to find out. There's only one way to find out. You got to burn to learn. All right, CO2 set up. I'm going to move the new honeycomb bed over there, and we'll see how it looks. Not quite as deep as the existing honeycomb, but it almost as wide. Right? It does look much better than the old one. The old one was a piece of junk when I got it. It was bent up. It's still a little bent. So I've tried to straighten it the best that I could. This new one looks great. I think they did a great job with this honeycomb. I'm really glad to see the measurements on it. So you could get this thing mounted solid and then index right off of your honeycomb with the measurements. If you notice, that perfectly planed piece of lumber is setting absolutely flat on that new honeycomb. That is a great sight to see. So far, beautiful piece of wood and a beautiful honeycomb. I had to cut some silicone first, so I thought I'd show that on the new honeycomb. So far, the new honeycomb is great, so I'm going to go ahead and get the wood set up, and I'll cut back to it, and we'll see how level the wood's setting again after I mess around with that a little bit, and get ready to wrap this video up. All right, and we've just started running the ambrosia maple on the big CO2 with the new honeycomb, and everything's looking good so far. So we'll check back once it's finished and wrap this video up. All right, our big board is done. It looks great, and I'll get some walrus oil on it and get this to the couple tomorrow. So there you have it. The new Dadywheels honeycomb is awesome. It would probably fit 2 diodes side by side if you had 2 normal size diodes. So that's pretty neat. It works great in the CO2. I'm going to leave it in there, and I'm going to use it because it's way better than the one that came with that CO2. So thank you, Dadywheels, for allowing me to review that product. It's awesome. You got the stainless steel underneath of it. You got some pins, and you got some rubber feet to keep that stainless pan from moving around underneath of it. Again, thank you everyone for tuning in. And most importantly, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.